Hello, my name is Edson Augustine, and today I'll be presenting for case studies in computer-based entrepreneurship, and I'll be presenting on TREK 10. Now, the first thing that we're going to present is our business model canvas. Let's take a look at our business model canvas. To start out, let's look at the key partners for TREK 10. Some of the key partners for TREK 10 are Amazon Web Services, Datadog, which is a leading cloud-scaled monitoring service, Cloud Guru, which provides on-demand cloud education, and also they have serverless customers, which are platforms that aids in creating serverless applications. In terms of their key suppliers, AWS is their key suppliers as they're heavily focused on cloud solutions. In terms of the key resources for requiring these things, for AWS, they get cloud services technology and also certifications. From Datadog, they get monitoring capabilities for cloud infrastructures. And then from Cloud Guru, they get cloud education and training resources. Now, for serverless, they get tools or platforms for creating a serverless application. Now, in terms of the key activities, some of the key activities for our value proposition requires at least 24/7 support. They also have creating serverless application, offering cutting-edge solution services, migration, DevOps, app modernization, and data machine learning. In terms of the distribution channels, they mainly distribute through social media advertisement, direct interactions, and by also attending conferences. In terms of the customer relations, they often get customer relations through client referrals, and they also serve their clients both in person and online. They also offer pricing models and 24/7 tech support, and with a close tie with Notre Dame, especially the founders. In terms of the revenue streams, the revenue comes from a client paying either through the hour or through a subscription-based model. And now let's take a look at their value proposition. What value do they deliver to the customers? Well, they have expertise in cloud adaptation, 24/7 tech support, cutting edge solutions, and serverless applications. And our customers, the problems that the customers are having and the issues that they solve are they have a lack of time and resources to do all this. They need technical expertise, cloud infrastructure monitoring, and problem resolution. And now, in terms of the products and services that they offer for each customer segment, let's take a look at the customers. Let's take a look at the companies. So for companies that are short on time, they offer tech consulting, 24/7 support, and tailored cloud solutions. Now for serverless, they offer app development and support for continuous support. And then also full-day cloud monitoring and assistance. Now for people looking to learn, they offer on-demand cloud education through their partners. In terms of the customers and what they're satisfying, they satisfy their cloud adaptation needs, their technical support needs, and educational needs. Now, let's look at the customer relations. What type of relationship does each of our customer segment expect for us to establish? Now, TREK 10 customers seek a relationship with technical experts. They also look for 24/7 support, and they always want to constantly learn and figure out what is going on. And they also want value and on guidance education through the cloud domain, because at the end of the day, you don't want to be doing all this and your customers don't know what's happening. So which one of them have they established? We've established technical consultation, continuous support, serverless engagement, and educational partnership. In terms of the customer segment, who are they creating value for? Well, they create value for companies that lack resources and that are interested in serverless solutions. And some of the most important customers are customers that are doing business migrations or that are aiming to migrate to the AWS. Now, let's take a look at their channels. Which channel segments are their customers reach? Well, again, we use social media, our website, and networking events. And how are they reaching them now? They use direct marketing. And in terms of the channel integration, they do cross promotions. And which ones work best and which ones are most cost efficient? It's often social media and referrals. And in terms of integrating with customer routines, they have customer online activity patterns. Now let's take a look at the cost structure. What are some of the most important costs inherent in the business model? Well, we have important costs comes from employee salaries, the AWS charges, the marketing expenses, and the tech infrastructure. In terms of the key resources that are most important, it would have to be the AWS technology and training these employees to understand and help out other people in terms of the AWS technology. And which key activities are the most expensive? Again, it's the priciest activities that provide 27 client support. Now, in terms of the revenue stream, what are our customers willing to pay? Well, customers, they value the technical expertise and the 24/7 support. And for what are they currently paying for? They currently pay for cloud solutions and consultation. How much are they willing to how are they currently paying? They pay through hourly or via subscription base. And how much would they prefer to pay? They might prefer to pay a bundle package. And then in terms of the revenue stream to contribute to overall revenues, the subscription contributes to the most of the revenue. Now, this is just the business model canvas for the Trek 10. Now, if we look at the value proposition, we can see that despite Trek 10 is cloud focused on the name, they have a ground business with robust ironclad solutions, casting them forward into the digital age with confidence. Now, the value proposition. What value do they deliver to the customers? They have unparalleled cloud expertise. And which one of the customer problems are they helping solve? They're helping solve cloud adaptation challenges, 24/7 technical support demands, and the need for advanced cloud solutions. And in terms of the bundles of prices that they are offering for each customer segment, they offer advanced tech consulting and support, serverless application development, continuous cloud monitoring, on-demand cloud education via partnerships. And how are the customer needs being satisfied? Through expert cloud guidance, through reliable technical support, through serverless innovation, and through continuous cloud education. Now, the customer segment. The Trek 10 stands distant yet prominent in the cloud consulting landscape, and it's among the top tier choices for comprehensive cloud solutions in the industry. Now, who are they creating value for? They're creating value for customers, companies adopting cloud platforms, and businesses seeking serverless solutions. And also organizations that need continuous cloud support and enterprises prioritizing cloud education for staff. Now, who are the most important customers? They are tech forward businesses that are prioritizing digital innovation. They are enterprises with significant cloud infrastructure needs, and also companies investing in employee cloud training and education. Now, some interesting insight that I found was Trek10 doesn't just offer cloud solutions, they craft pathways for businesses to soar higher. Their fusion of deep technical expertise with a forward thinking approach makes them more of a service provider. And they're the cloud visionaries in a more digital age. Again, thank you so much for listening for my business proposition.